going to show you how to use a gel liner. Always like to use an angle brush. Lifesaver is this Duraline. I've seen all the gel liners go like thick after some time, so always use this to make them work really smooth.
Few tones, never stretch your eye to apply the liner. Make sure you follow the waterline and keep your eyes open and go from inward to outward. Don't worry, just a little bit of flick there and then you can make it even. And that's how you will just fill it out, and here we go with the flick. And then you can fill out your waterline with the same ingot liner.
So few things at the end I would just want you guys to remember. You don't have to come this way with the angle. You have to go outer this way. And the reason, I'm just going to show you now. Here we go. Most of the people, they go like this, right? So can you see thickness right here on the tip? It's too thick. Now if you go other way around, that's what we want. We want that little crisp line there.
I hope this video is helpful for the perfect gel liner.